Welcome to our first demonstration of Sanctuary. For the first time ever in the world, we're showing how people can design their air.
Feels so relevant and required, intelligent to say the least, the entire system.
Quite amazing what you can do with air.
I've been watching about this on Instagram for a while. Love the design, love the product. Hope to see it at my home soon.
The products are not only beautiful, but they're extremely functional. And I'm super impressed and I'm so proud that we're building products like this, which are not only relevant to the whole Indian ecosystem, but I think are products that will hopefully go to the whole world.
Hive is a lovely venture. Being an architect, I think, focusing on designing now, we don't stick to just making spaces anymore.
The way it's been designed, it doesn't look like an air purifier, it looks like a showpiece.
The purification of the air, the way we breathe, the way we live, it's one of the most promising startups that exist currently, and the way it's going to come up, we're very excited for what people can have in their homes. I think it's a fantastic device, and what I'm trying to do is correlate it with my recovery scores. So I've seen a drastic improvement in my HRV and my heart rate and my sort of energy level.
One of the first things in India that is there towards health and well-being and on air quality and the environmental control that is there. Really amazing products.
I just saw the Sanctuary today at the Praan studio. I think it's fabulous, it's path-breaking.
The home feels actually like the design, what we've thought of. So a lovely product, yeah. Great, guys.